Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we have been building this fitness homepage using Next.js, and this is how it looks. And we also have the dark and the light modes for our website. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy your website online so that others can see your website. Now we're going to use Vercel.com to deploy our website, and they also have a free plan, so you can just go to Vercel.com and create a free account. You can also sign up with your GitHub account, and after you log in, you will find this page right here. Now here we can deploy our website for free. Now for deploying our Next.js website on Vercel, we need to first of all create a GitHub repository. So just go to github.com, and if you don't have a GitHub account, you need to first of all create a GitHub account. And after that, just log into github.com, and you have to go ahead and create a new repository. So just click on this plus icon and then click on new repository. And let's name our repository. So I'll just type fitness. Let's see the name. It is Fit Pro Fitness. So I'll just name it Fit Pro Fitness. And then you can add a description and also set the visibility to public or private. I'll just keep it as public, and let's go ahead and click on create a repository. Now here we can see that our repository was created, but we don't have anything inside here. So we need to run these commands. Now if you're not able to run these commands, you can just first of all go ahead and download this Git app from here. So just download and install it. And once you do that, you can just go ahead and run these commands. So the first thing you need to do is git init. So let's go back to our website and let's type git init. And with that, we have initialized our new repository. And the next thing we need to do is we need to add all the files. So here we can see that they are adding the readme.md file, but we need to add all the files. So let's go back over here and let's type git add dot. So this will add all the files. And the next thing we need to do is we need to run all these other commands. So I'll just copy all of these and let's paste the commands over here, and let's press enter. And now we can see that our code has been pushed to GitHub. So let's go back to our GitHub and let's reload this page. And now we can see all the code is displayed over here. Now we can simply go ahead and add this to Vercel to deploy it. But before that, let's go ahead and build our project and let's see whether we have any errors. So I'll just clear it and let's type npm run build and press enter. And here we can see we have these two errors in our code. So let's open this. And here we can see we have this double quotes. We need to change it with ampersand quote semicolon. So let's do that. Let's type ampersand quote semicolon. Let's do the same over here. And let's save this. Now let's go ahead and type npm run build once again. And now we can see that our project was successfully built. Now let's go ahead and update this code into our GitHub. So we can just go ahead and type git add dot, and let's type git commit, and let's go ahead and change first commit to fixed build errors. And we can just go ahead and delete all of this. We'll just need git push. So I'll just delete all of this. So whenever you make any changes, you can just go ahead and git add, and then you can just type git commit and add a message, and then you can just go ahead and type git push. So let's press enter. And with that, our changes have been pushed to GitHub. So let's go back to GitHub and reload. And now we can see there are two commits. And if I open this, we can see that we have fixed build errors over here. Now let's go to our Vercel account and let's click on add new. Let's go to project, and here we need to install GitHub. So let's click on install. Let's continue with our GitHub account. And here we need to install Vercel to our GitHub account. So let's install for select repositories. So let's click on only select repositories. And here just select Fit Pro Fitness. And let's go ahead and click on install. And I'll just go ahead and log into my GitHub account. And now we can see that we have this GitHub account displayed over here. Let's click on continue. And let's continue with our GitHub account. And here we can see our repository is being displayed. So let's click on import and let's leave all these settings as it is. And here we can see that it has already detected that it is a Next.js project. and let's click on deploy. And here we can see that deployment has started, and these are the build logs. So if I click on this, we'll be able to see all the logs. And now we can see it says congratulations, our website was deployed. So let's click on continue to dashboard, and this is our URL. So if I click on this, and here we can see our website is being displayed. So let's scroll down, and everything is working all right. Let's take a look at the light mode, and this is the light mode. Let's also take a look at the mobile version, and this is how it looks. So we don't have any problems. So with that, we have deployed our Next.js website on Vercel for free. Now if you want to make any changes in this website, you can just go over here to your source code and make the changes you need. And after that, you can just go ahead and run the commands git add, git commit, and git push. And once you push to GitHub, another deployment process will automatically start over here in Vercel, and the changes will be automatically displayed on your website. Now you can also go over here to domains and change the domain name. So let's click on edit. So this is our domain right now. So we can just go ahead and change this to fitprofitness.vercel.app. Let's click on save, and I'll just click on save. And here we can see it says fitprofitness is already assigned. So let's go back and add official over here. Let's click on save. And now we can see that we have this URL. So if I open this, we can see that everything is working all right. You can also add your custom domain over here. So that's basically how you can deploy your Next.js website for free on Vercel. So that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.